Well, go on, my friend them. All right, you guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in today's video. So in today's videos, I have some snapper fillets, some red snapper fillets, and we're gonna do a rosemary and herbs crust on it. So we're just gonna sear it in a pan. I will link all of the ingredients in the description bar. So I just cleaned up my fish and I made a little paste in a bowl, and I just season it up, rub it all over it. I have unsalted butter. I'm gonna use about 3 tablespoons of that unsalted butter, and I'm just gonna sear it in the pan, and that's it. It doesn't take long to cook. I cooked it for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side until it got a good sear on it, and the meat was cooked all the way through. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I hope you come back again and watch another one. Bye.
Mm-hmm.